You start noticing the choices you make without even thinking. How to speak to yourself, how to honor your energy, how quickly you walk away from what doesn't feel right, how naturally you choose environments that match your growth. Hey beautiful people, and welcome to XOXO40. I'm your host, Sandra D. Thank you for joining us again today. We appreciate that. We help 40 plus singles find dating much easier in this new age of dating. Welcome to episode 6, the final episode of our solo dating series. It's the episode that comes after the healing, after the confidence, after the presence. This is the chapter where everything you've learned starts to integrate into your everyday life. Because solo dating isn't just an activity anymore, we have to be more conscious of it. It becomes a way of moving through the world. This is the season where you realize you're just not taking yourself out. You're taking yourself seriously. You start noticing the choices you make without even thinking. How to speak to yourself, how to honor your energy, how quickly you walk away from what doesn't feel right, how naturally you choose environments that match your growth. This is the era where your standards stop feeling like rules and start feeling like normal. You're not performing confidence, you're living it. You're not forcing boundaries, you're embodying them. You're not trying to be chosen, you're choosing with clarity. And here's the shift most people never talk about. When you've spent time dating yourself, you stop confusing attention with connection. You stop mistaking effort for compatibility. You stop accepting dusties, if you know, you know, because you know what you really need. You've built a relationship with yourself that's steady, honest, and grounded. So now, when someone enters your life, they're not meeting a version you shaped by fear or loneliness. They're meeting the woman who knows who she is and who she refuses to be. This is the integration era. You will be healing and all your healing becomes your habits, where your confidence becomes your baseline, where your presence becomes your power. And the most beautiful part, you're no longer afraid of being alone. Yes! Because you're no longer alone with yourself, you're in partnership with yourself. Here's your question for today. What is your one habit, boundary, or mindset you want to carry forward from your solo dating journey into every part of your life? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If this resonated with you, subscribe to XOXO40 on YouTube. Comment, share, like, and hop over to TikTok. Follow us, like, and comment on our TikTok page at XOXO40Love. We're on Facebook and we're also on IG. Thank you for joining in. I hope you loved the fabulous episodes that we did. You can hit below or hit up here to see the other episodes that you missed if you missed any. We welcome your comments. Thank you so much. Take care. XOXO 40.